Yeah. And this T.I.B. right? Free the king. Yeah. And I'm Queen Shay. It wouldn't be right if I ain't Ricky. Bullshitting rappers couldn't teach me no lesson. With my own phantoms, ain't fucking with no Jeffrey. Queen Shay on, let a nigga second guess me. They out of that game, no referee. Tell me something, but it better be something that I ain't heard. And in a drought, Queen Shay still got birds. Hear nothing but the truth in every word. Why you bitch niggas still frontin' on every verse? Queen Shay niggas spit it for the streets title. Look into the mirror and I see the streets idle. Swear to God, it don't get no clear. Real, recognize real, and I feel real familiar. Pops told me when I do it, better do it right. The last bitch said something, I told her get a swagger right. Niggas putting on bragging rights. Queen Shay dope, tell your partner them to brag and tight. Everybody gon' feel it. Stand up, nigga, cause I'm sitting on a milli. Queen ain't high, you silly. Funny motherfucker, I got money to the ceiling. Tip said it, I'm ill.